Hello, Colorado. Ryan Melner here, and motorcycle drivers, I am talking to you. This is such an important message. If you drive a motorcycle, it is so important that you have underinsured motorist coverage. And most of you don't carry it. That's a statistic, that's a fact. You don't carry it. And I'll tell you why you don't carry it. Because underinsured motorist or uninsured motorist, the terms are used interchangeably. That coverage is for you. So you're driving your motorcycle and you get in a car accident and the other person either doesn't have insurance or they only have $25,000 worth of insurance, right? Well, as a motorcycle driver, you are more likely to get seriously injured than someone else, right? And so that coverage is probably going to get used, and that's why it's expensive. Sometimes it can increase your premium by 2 or 3 times because so often that coverage is getting used. Because if you're in an accident with another car, usually the motorcycle is going to lose, right? And so they don't have a lot of coverage, or you get serious injuries, then that underinsured or uninsured motorist coverage is going to kick in. And so please, if you drive a motorcycle, get that coverage. It's important to pay for it because, again, in an accident, the motorcyclist is usually going to lose. They're usually going to have more serious injuries, and that coverage is going to kick in because a lot of drivers are not carrying a lot of coverage. And so you want to protect yourself, anybody else in your family that's driving the motorcycle. Another thing to think about is some motorcycle policies are actually separate from your main auto policy. And so you actually have to write a separate policy because a lot of the risks are different. And so look at your policies, but please, if you drive a motorcycle, get underinsured coverage. It is so important, and that's my Fun Fact Friday message.